What's going on, guys? Money Winners here. In this video I'm going to show you the top 5 ways you can make money online fast. But you need to make sure you watch the entire video to the end, so you don't miss out on any of these easy ways that will allow you to earn twice as much money than other people. And if you stay until the end of this video, I'll show you a bonus method that will make you even more money online. So, if you're excited, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit that like button. So, whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated on making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if at all you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy, just leave a comment down below. Now let's get into the video. The end of the month is fast approaching, and no matter how much you try to cut back on your spending, you're still coming up short on money. And I realize how stressful it can be when you're hit by an unexpected expense and, worse, you don't have a rainy day fund to cover it. Or unfortunately you lost your job. Well, I've got some good news for you. If you're looking for ways to make some much needed extra money today, then pay attention to these easy tips for making money online and get you back to paying your bills on time and have enough money left over to start saving for a rainy day. First up, let's look at testing and reviewing websites for cash. I want to introduce you to this website right here on our screen. It's called userfilled.com. Most people spend a lot of time online. So, why not get paid for spending time online? Become a user tester. There are many companies that want to know if their websites are user-friendly and ways to improve customer online experience. Userfilled.com will pay you $30 per test. Just for visiting a website, trying out an app, or giving them your feedback. Don't worry, because they have 40 languages available to choose from. Number 2. Do chores for someone else. There are some very busy people out there, in your community, who don't have the time to pick up their own dry cleaning. Or do their own shopping. Or assemble their out-of-box furniture, or even stand in line at the DMV. This is good news, and it works in your favor because they're eager to pay you to do these tasks. Your mission today. Just Google TaskRabbit. Sign up online with them and become a tasker. They connect people for outsourcing errands and odd jobs. You'll start receiving notifications for same-day tasks and opportunities in your city. Number 3. Fill out surveys. Do you enjoy online quizzes? Or like completing surveys? Then, this is for you. And you can earn some quick bucks with online surveys. Market research companies will pay you to share your opinion. They want to know what people in your demographic really think about certain topics. Here are some survey sites to check out. brandedsurveys.com, mysurvey.com, pineconeresearch.com, harrispollonline.com. Number 4. Get paid to shop online. Do you know that you can get paid rewards to shop online? You can earn a small percentage back on each purchase in exchange for cash or gift cards. Just shop with the following sites and get paid. Swagbucks.com, topcashback.com, inboxdollars.com. Number 5. Snap and sell your photos. Use your smartphone camera to snap pictures. Upload your images and sell them. Set your own price. They can be used to stock photography and you earn extra cash. Sell them on the following websites. mobileprints.com, us.afotolier.com, iz.com, istockphoto.com. Guys, you can legitimately earn money fast online and from home. If you know where to look. And I've shown you above. Remember, before signing up to any website, search for online reviews. This is to be sure they're a reputable company and pays their users, as promised. Now, for the bonus tip to earn extra money and maximize your earnings. Do you love animals? Why not become a dog walker? Dog walkers earn $20 to $25 an hour. Some can earn $34 an hour depending on the type of dog and duties. Dog walkers provide an important service for busy pet owners. Get paid to take other people's dogs out. It could be one or multiple dogs. Some basic dog duties include going to dog owner's house and collecting dog. Ensure dog is wearing collar with identification tag. Specific dog walking routes. Ensure dogs are hydrated and well fed. Maintain their focus and give them treats. Clean up after them using dog poo bags. That's it for now. This is Money Winners. Make sure to smash the notification bell, hit the like button, and I'll see you in our next How to Make Money Online video. Also, before you go, leave me a comment and let me know if you tried making money online and what worked for you.